Hi, welcome to HouseFlippingSpreadsheet.com. You're watching a quick video tutorial on analyzing DIY savings using the repair cost estimator. Many rehabbers are also contractors or do-it-yourselfers that perform certain scopes of work themselves in order to save money on construction costs, which ultimately allows them to make more competitive offers or make more money on their deals. If you are one of those individuals, you can use the DIY feature to calculate the amount you will save by doing the work yourself. Simply place an X next to the items that you're going to be DIYing or doing yourself, and the spreadsheet will remove the labor costs from the estimate, and it'll calculate the DIY savings for doing the work yourself. For this example, we will be performing the cabinetry installation ourselves, so we will be placing an X next to the base cabinetry item, upper cabinetry, and pantry cabinet items in our estimate. Again, once we place the X next to the items, the labor is removed from the estimate and the savings are calculated for those items. The total DIY savings for the project are then tallied at the top of the spreadsheet so you can know how much you are saving by doing the work yourself. You can then use these project savings to make your offers more competitive against other investors, save on construction costs, and maximize your project profitability. If you have any additional questions about the DIY savings, please shoot us an email or give us a call.